Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable your microphone in Google Chrome so you can use it for video calls, voice recordings, and any other applications that need audio input. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can control everything from your appearance preferences to privacy controls. The settings page is your central hub for customizing how Chrome works for you. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical navigation panel with several categories listed. Find and click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it houses all the controls related to how Chrome handles your personal data, permissions, and site access. It's where you'll manage what websites can and cannot do on your browser. After clicking Privacy and Security, you'll see several options appear on the main panel. Scroll down until you find Site Settings and click on it. Site Settings is where Chrome lets you control permissions for individual features like your camera, location, notifications, and of course your microphone. This gives you granular control over which sites can access specific hardware and features on your device. Now within the Site Settings menu, look for the option labeled Microphone and click on it. This is the specific area where Chrome manages all microphone-related permissions and configurations. Here you'll be able to set up which microphone device Chrome should use and determine which websites are allowed to request microphone access. At the top of the microphone settings page, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of all available microphone devices connected to your computer. This might include your built-in laptop microphone, external USB microphones, or headset microphones. Make sure to choose the microphone device you want Chrome to use by clicking on it from the list. Selecting the right device here is important because this tells Chrome which audio input to use whenever a website requests microphone access. Finally, just below the device drop-down, you'll see radio button options for how Chrome should handle microphone requests. Click on the radio button next to Sites can ask to use your microphone. This setting ensures that websites can request permission to access your microphone, and you'll be prompted to allow or deny access whenever a site needs it. This gives you control over your privacy while still enabling microphone functionality when you need it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and configured your microphone in Google Chrome, giving you full control over audio permissions and device selection. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.